So, first of all, those of you who joined in late, my name is Rajesh Bhatt and I am the CEO of Iron Lady. And this is my 149th masterclass this year. And it is my biggest joy to be able to support you in this journey. I would do nothing better than this. This is the biggest joy of my life. I'm living my dream every single day. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to do that. Right? Thank you for trusting us and thank you for giving me an opportunity to live my dream. Right? Thank you for trusting. And I guarantee you that if you follow the steps that I'm going to share with you in the next 3 days, you will get a huge value in the next 3 days. Right? So that's my guarantee to all of you. Right? So let us get started with the agenda. What is the agenda for today? How you can get a lot of value, right? So generally people say at the end of the master class, at the end of 3 days, they were able to derive huge value. Now, how does that happen? So first thing is, let us go through the agenda for today. The first thing that we will share, I will share with you is how you can get maximum value over the next 3 days, right? How you can derive huge value in the next 3 days. Now, if you follow, I'm assuming, right, everyone, I'm assuming that all of you are here so that you can derive huge value, you can take back a lot of value, you can implement things, you can make things a part of your life, and that's why you are here. Now, if you wanted to just pass some time, you would have gone to something else, isn't it? You are here. The very fact that you are here, you have paid the money, you are committed to this time. The very fact that you are here means you are interested and committed to implementing things in a powerful way. Correct, everyone? You are here for a reason, right? So let us understand how you can make or you can fulfill that commitment in the next 3 days very powerfully. Now, the agenda is, the second thing is, we will go through 4 key principles today, and you will start implementing these 4 principles right from today itself. Right? You are not here just to just some gyan, though it may feel like gyan. So just start implementing it right from today itself. So we'll go to the 4 principles today itself and we will start implementing it. Now, out of the 4 principles, 2 of the principles called big, hairy, audacious goal, BHAG, and breakthrough actions, these 2 principles you will deep dive into and you will start imbibing them much more aggressively in the next 24 hours. BHAG, big, hairy, audacious goal, and breakthrough action. These are the 2 key principles that you will implement in the next 24 hours, today and till end of tomorrow. Now, this is the agenda of today. I hope all of you have a notebook and a pen. Does everyone have a notebook and a pen? Can you grab a notebook and a pen? And generally, people say that, like last week I met a few people, 4 years ago they had joined our ILD program. 4 years ago. They said in 4 years, the notebook has been like a guiding light in many ways for them. So I request you to use this with a lot of care and make notes, imbibe them, make it a part of your life. Everyone has a notebook and a pen? Please grab one if you don't have one, so that you can implement things. I will also share, we will also share the recording of today's session with you at about 9:30 today. We'll share with you. Okay, our team will share with you the recording in the WhatsApp group. So if you miss some part, please don't get worried. Just go through the recording again. Is that clear, everyone? Today's recording will be provided so that you can imbibe much more. Okay, now let us go through the first principle to begin with. Now, what is a big, hairy, audacious goal. What is a big, hairy, audacious goal? First thing is, hairy does not mean having a lot of hair. Okay, hairy means you're getting goosebumps. You and the listener are getting goosebumps. Wow, what a great goal. My God, what an exciting goal. This is the meaning of hairy, right? Big, hairy, audacious goal is a goal that leaders take on every 3 months. Every 3 months, you have to take a big goal. Okay. Now, why is it important? This is important. This is critical because normal people take on smart goals. If you are like a normal manager, normal employee, normal entrepreneur, normal businesswoman, you generally people take smart goals or normal goals. Top leaders take on big, hairy, audacious goals every 3 months. Okay. Now, this theory alone is not important. What is important? You starting to take on a BHAG, going after it, accomplishing the BHAG is important, isn't it? So that is what I challenge you to do today. So let me give you some practical examples. Okay. One of the participants who was working as a senior manager at Oracle about 10 months ago. 10 months ago, she was working as a senior manager at Oracle. She was in technology. She took a 3-year BHAG, 3-year big, hairy, audacious goal. 3-year BHAG called I will become a senior director or a chief technology officer in a large company and earn an income of more than 1 crore plus year. 1 crore plus year is a big goal that she took 11 months ago, right? Now, last month, she was delighted when she was sharing with us. Okay. She was delighted to share. I got a new role, Senior Director Technology, India head at 1.37 crore yearly income. And we are all very joyful, very happy about it. But at the same time, you have to think about it. This is just not about money alone. Leadership is not just about money alone. If she has to earn that much income, think about the outcome she needs to produce for the company, isn't it? Nobody will give you some big money just for the sake of it, isn't it? So don't think, okay, simply money. It's all about leadership is about impact. How much big results you produce for the company. Now, some of you may say, Rajesh, forget about it. I am not interested in money. I want to make a bigger impact. Anybody like that? Leadership is about impact, not just about money. For example, I run an NGO, not for profit organization called Head Held High, where we take a 3-month BHAG. Every 3 months, we say we will support 10 lakh people or XYZ number of people. Now, some of you may be like doctors, surgeons, advocates, accountants. You may say in the next 3 months, I will support 1,000 people more. Or some of you are running an NGO, you are a teacher, right? See, one of the teachers took a 1-year BHAG called I will have all my students pass with first standard, pass in first standard. This can be a BHAG. Or you can say, I will complete a big project for the company. Remember, even earnings, you may have a money BHAG or more importantly, contribution BHAG or impact BHAG. But it has to be exciting. It has to give you, it has to excite you. Oh my God, I'm super excited like that. Otherwise, it is not a BHAG. Got it, everyone? So, everyone, my invitation to you is write down my 1-year BHAG is, write it down in a notebook. Next, my 3-year BHAG is first. Next, my 1-year BHAG is next. Then 3. My 3-month BHAG is, write down these 3 lines. 3-year BHAG, 1-year BHAG, and 3-month BHAG. What is your 3-year BHAG? BHAG is something that keeps you awake at nights, gets you excited, supercharged. You get very inspired by your BHAG. Write down your 3-year BHAG, then 1-year BHAG, and then 3-month BHAG. Now, by the way, this activity will take next 24 hours to complete. Do not expect that everything will be clear right now itself. Okay. Now, some of you may be confused or some of you may be worried. The first time I heard these principles, my head started spinning. Okay, I said, my God, it is very difficult to come up with like this. So my head started spinning and I went crazy. I couldn't understand properly. So relax. If you're confused, now some of you may be already clear, which is very, very good. Some of you may find it slightly difficult. So don't get worried about it. Is it okay, everyone? So it will take 24 hours for you to really appreciate it, imbibe it, and make it a part of your life. But I challenge you to get more clear as you go along in the next 3 days. Okay, everyone? Don't try to get worried about, oh my God, I am not understanding, other people are understanding. Please don't get worried about it. Okay, everyone? Okay. So see, it is okay for you to be confused, but not okay to remain confused for a long time. Okay, it's okay. Right now you're confused. Right now, some of you will be confused. I have observed 50% of the participants will be confused on day 1. So it is very normal. Don't worry about it. Okay. Now, let me share with you why this is so important. Why is BHAG so important? BHAG is extremely important because leaders focus on managing energy, not just time. Normal people manage time. Okay. Leaders manage energy. Why? Time is limited. There are only 24 hours, right? Vandana has 24 hours, Rachana has 24 hours, Smita has 24 hours. All of us have 24 hours, yes or no? So time is limited. Energy can be exponential. Energy can be imbibed. Energy can be really, you can inspire yourself and other people towards bringing huge energy. Leaders manage their energy, not just time. So I'll give you a practical example. Imagine you are going for an important negotiation. You are going for an important meeting. Imagine. Now, imagine you go and tell them, hey, I'm interested to join. If you give an opportunity, I will join. If you say like this versus, hey, I am keen to join tomorrow or as early as possible. I already done the study. I'm keen to take it on. I'm excited about the opportunity. I have done the studies. These are the 2 ideas I have. So who will get selected? Somebody who brings more energy, isn't it? So leaders manage their energy, not just time. Think about yourself as in the business warfare, business world. It is critical that you bring energy. Leaders bring energy, not just time. Leaders manage the time, energy. Now, how do you manage energy? For example, this is my invitation to all of you. From today onwards, keep your BHAGs in front of you, in front of your desk, in front of your door, or wherever. Bring huge energy towards your BHAG. Bring a lot of energy. Your intention energy, your emotional energy. Energy can be brought by bringing clarity. Why? Clarity brings momentum. Momentum brings energy and results. If you're clear about your path, you can bring momentum, and that brings energy. Clarity brings momentum, momentum brings energy. Got everyone? And leaders manage energy, not just time. So today onwards, my challenge is bring a lot of energy towards your BHAG. It may sound difficult in the beginning. It's okay. Relax. We'll go step by step. Okay, everybody? We'll go step by step. Now, my intention is next 3 days itself, you need to move very fast towards your BHAG. Your goal, big goal, you need to quickly move fast in the next 3 days. So let us understand how to go very fast towards your BHAG in the next 3 days itself. We have put together 3 things for you, everyone. What are the 3 things? 1, these Zoom sessions. Now, in these Zoom sessions, they are not just for listening and just understanding. You have to implement. So, for example, tomorrow there is a brand building activity live in the session. I invite you to build your brand before day of tomorrow. Start building your brand by day of tomorrow. Publish it on your LinkedIn day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow evening, there's a live, and I guarantee you the brand you will build will be one of the most amazing brand statements that you will ever have learned about yourself, ever you would have made about yourself. I guarantee you this. By day after tomorrow, your own brand statement, the way you will project yourself will be outstanding. That is my invitation to you. This is a live session in the program tomorrow. Please aggressively start implementing it tomorrow. Got it, everybody? So similarly, there is a visualization activity tomorrow, last part tomorrow. In the visualization activity tomorrow, you will have to visualize yourself with building that extraordinary confidence and belief about yourself. Guilt-free attitude, like fearless attitude you have to build towards your big goals tomorrow. And you'll have to start building the strategy towards your BHAG as well in the session itself. Very, very fast. Okay, everyone? Now, day after tomorrow, there is a shameless pitch activity. How will you negotiate for your big goal, big salary, big hike, or whatever? Maybe your customers, maybe you are running an NGO, you want to raise grants. Very powerfully, you start negotiating and pitching. There is a shameless pitch activity day after tomorrow. And you will have a special guest tomorrow. She has already reached the top. Huge growth, huge salary, huge impact. She has become one of the top leaders in India today. In the last 2.5 years, she is implementing these principles that you are learning today. She will share insights with you. Copy quickly from her. So Zoom session is about imbibing, implementing like this. Go through, implement, imbibe it very fast. Okay. Keep your videos on. Clear, everyone? Keep your videos on. Aggressively participate with each other. Imbibe everything in the Zoom session. The second thing you will do is you have a WhatsApp group. Now, those of you joined in on time today, you met these amazing people, isn't it? Surgeons, doctors, human resource leaders, technology leaders, Bharatanatyam dancers. Amazing people, isn't it? Now, all these people are with you in the WhatsApp group. Please copy shamelessly from each other tomorrow. Okay? And not only copy, inspire each other, right? Towards winning. Let us make a very strong group of people who are winning in the next 3 days. Can we do that, everyone? So copy shamelessly, learn from each other, inspire each other to win together in the next 3 days. That is the second thing. The third thing you will do is you have a relationship manager who will provide you personalized case studies, right? Okay, your own challenges you have, how to move ahead fast. They will support you in your personalized journey and they will answer your questions, right? So please take their support fully. See, my invitation to you is our mission is called 1 million women at the top. My request to all of you is squeeze everything from us. Okay, you are registered for a program. Please ensure you get maximum from us. This is my request to all of you. Is it okay, everyone? All of you will implement the 3 things fully. 100% you will squeeze from us. Move fast towards your BHAG. I will ask all of you day after tomorrow whether you squeezed everything, you got 50 times, 20 times the value or not, because that is my commitment. I want to hear yes from everyone. And if you have any questions, you can ask me day after tomorrow also. Okay? All right, great. Now, with this, let us move aggressively towards the next step. What is the next step? Everyone, next step, I want to share a quick story with you. Okay. This is a story of somebody who, like you, implemented these principles 10 years ago. 10 years ago, she started implementing it. Okay. Now, unfortunately, her story starts on a very sad note. What is the sad note? Here's the story. Her name is called Suvarna Hegde. What is the story? Here is the story. Unfortunately, back in 2011, when she looked at her life, she realized when she began her career in 2006, her income compared to other people was equivalent, almost similar to other people. Unfortunately, just in a span of 4.5 years in 2011, though her income had grown, other people's income had grown much more. So her growth was slower than other people. So she was left with only 60% of the income, only 60% compared to other people who had graduated with her. Only 60%. And the sad truth, everybody, was she did not even know this reality. She did not even know. One, not so fine day, she got to know, my God, my income is only 60% compared to other people. And she was devastated, very upset and angry. Right? Now, when I share this with people in the batches that I'm running, 95% of the participants say they have either gone through a similar situation or they're going through a similar situation and they are terribly upset about it as well. How many of you can relate to this story? How many of you have gone through this? How many of you know? And how do you feel about this? How do you all feel about this? Can all of you type in, how do you all feel about it? Reality, see? So it's bad, isn't it? Bad, terrible, isn't it? I'm going, so some of you are already going through right now. Is resonant, same feelings, terrible. Disappointment, isn't it? Terrible, isn't it? Yeah, Tanya, absolutely, Shweta. Yes. Now this is a challenge, isn't it? Frustrating, isn't it? Absolutely discouraging, humiliating, absolutely. Now, this is what she was going through, everyone. Extreme pain. She took 2 weeks to almost, my God, it is so horrible. Right? Now, some of you may not even know this is happening with you. If you don't know, please find out, because you deserve better in many cases. If you don't know, please find out. Start finding out. You deserve better. Okay? Now, let me tell you how I had the opportunity to support Suvarna back in 2011. Now, my background is like this, right? I had the opportunity to get mentored by 7 of the top global CEOs. I had the opportunity to get mentored. I had the privilege, right? I was very lucky. I had the privilege of meeting people like Amitabh Bachchan, Mr. Ratan Tata, you name some of the best people in the world. I had the privilege of meeting. I was so lucky. Now, one bridge, head held high, Iron Lady are the last three companies, and Head Held High is a not-for-profit. All 3 of them have gone on to become #1 in India today. So I was very lucky to get the best of the best guidance, best of the best support at the right time. Right? I was so lucky. Right? This is my journey, everybody. I was so lucky to get this extraordinary mentors at the age of 25 itself. I had these mentors. I was so lucky. Now, I was sharing with Suvarna in 2011 how she needs to implement it. How she needs to take a BHAG. Like I'm giving you right now, all this gap. Right? I was telling her how to implement the BHAG, how to implement it quickly. I started sharing with her in 2011. Now, in the last 16 plus years of research and work it has taken us, right? This is called the Art of Winning framework. 16 plus years of efforts, 5.5 crores of investment, 750 plus books, 11,000 is increasing every day. Every month, thousands of people go through our programs. Now these went on to become the Art of Winning framework. Today has 27 principles. Which are the 27 principles? Here are the 27 principles. Everybody, please take a look at these principles right now. And all of you can take a copy of this. Right? Quickly take a copy of this. Everybody take a copy of it. Now, everyone take a copy of this. Now, as you're taking a copy of it, the 4 principles that we're going to deeply deeply implement are in the red. Okay, the rest of them also, all the 27 principles, I will share with you as much as possible on day 3. Day 3 will go through all these principles in as much detail as possible. Now, everyone has taken a copy of this. Some of you will publish it in the WhatsApp later. Okay, some of you will publish it, so you will have a reference. Let me give you a taste of some of these principles right now itself. Let me share with you some of these principles. For example, leadership with grace. This is what Suvarna implemented. What is leadership with grace? Leadership with grace means smile and carry a gun. Got it? Now, what happens? If you keep smiling, right? People will try to take advantage in many ways. So smile and carry a gun. Please remember, I'm not saying shoot. Smile and carry a gun. This is called leadership with grace. Tomorrow I'll share some examples. Day after tomorrow I'll share some examples. How to smile and carry a gun. Okay? Now, this is a principle that's what I implemented. Very powerful. So I'll give you a couple of more. Maximize, right? This is the second column, last but third. Maximize over balancing. Now, how many of you have heard that women should compromise their career? You should compromise your career. Now, they are sugar-coated nicely to say, sugar-coated nicely, it is called balancing. Bluntly, they are saying you compromise. When it is sugar-coated nicely, it is called, what is it called? It is called balancing. So I'll tell you, never let anybody tell you that you should balance. Balancing means compromising, right? So what should you do? You should say, I will not compromise. So a fantastic career and a very joyful personal life, and not or. But everybody, not or. Or means balancing, or means compromising. You should say and, not or. A fantastic career and a very joyful personal life. Let nobody tell you that you should compromise or you should balance. Today onwards, I challenge you to always focus on maximizing, getting the best of both worlds. Tomorrow you will have a leader who will share with you practically how she implemented this, how she won in the business world, and how she won brilliantly with a very joyful personal life as well. Got it, everybody? This is my challenge to you. From today onwards, maximize, get the best of both worlds. Never let anybody tell you that you should compromise or balance. Next principle. The next principle is called, let's take for example, crucibles of leadership. What is the meaning of crucibles of leadership? Crucibles of leadership means, right, you have emotions, right? Emotions are your natural strength. You have emotions, you have empathy. They are your natural strength. But some people will try to take advantage of your emotions. Some people will take advantage of your empathy. So, crucibles of leadership means use your emotions and empathy as a strength, not a weakness. How? Never let your enemies see your emotions. Never let your competitors see your emotions. Never give the chavi of emotions to somebody else. Your emotions and empathy are your biggest strength. Use it as a strength. Right? Crucibles is about using your empathy as an extraordinary strength. Remember, empathy-based leadership is a need of the hour. Today the world requires you to be an empathy-based leader. Please use your emotions and empathy as a great strength. Let nobody use it against you. Never give the chavi of your emotions to somebody else. Clear, everyone? Now, these are some samples sharing. I'm sharing with you today. We'll go through this again in detail on day 3. Okay, everyone? my invitation to you is use all these principles as much as you can, because our vision is called, our purpose is called a million women at the top. If you can use all of this, you will reach the top faster. These are leadership principles. Leadership, if you implement these 27 principles, I guarantee you, you will become you will reach extraordinary leadership heights in a short span of time. Suvarna implemented them very fast. Now, many of you may be asking, Rajesh, all this is nice. Who are you? You're not a woman, right? By the way, here is something very interesting about me. I was blessed with 2 daughters. I have a wife, a sister, a mother, and a mother-in-law. 6 of the most important people in my life, right? 6 of the most important people in my life are all women. People joke with me very often that Rajesh is always surrounded by women everywhere, whether it is home or outside. Now, and this is my family, right? This is a now I was gifted with 2 daughters, and I was blessed to have these amazing people in my life. And I joke with people when people joke with me saying that Rajesh is always surrounded by women around. I say, whether it is at home, whether it is outside, I have only one intention. My intention is the women around me are winning, women are growing, with the women get a fair chance. This is my biggest focus, biggest area. That is what I've been striving to make this happen day in and day out. Right, everyone? Now, let me tell you the climax of the story. Suvarna, after implementing it for so many years, what happened to her? Her income went up by 4 times. Her income went up from 2011 to 2014. From 2011 to 2014, her income went up by 4 times. Now, how do I know all these details in so much detail? Some of you may have guessed it already, right? Yes, I happen to be her proud husband. Yes. Yes, I happen to be a proud husband. And it was Suvarna's idea to start Iron Lady in the first place. All right. Now, how many of you are interested in meeting Suvarna? She will be here on day 3 live to answer all the questions and all that stuff. Suvarna will be live in the session on day 3 to take questions and support you. She will share her stories and how she implemented and how she made things happen as well. All right, everyone. Now, I've been very fortunate. We have been very fortunate to be able to support people day in and day out. This is our life. This is our biggest joy of life. Okay. So we live this dream every single day of supporting people. Okay. And it was her idea to start. She quit her job last year, joined Iron Lady full time as a co-founder and director. All right, everyone. Now, as you begin the journey, many of you may have many questions. Many questions. How to do this? How to do that? Tomorrow you'll get many answers. Day after tomorrow, you will get more answers. Talk to your relationship manager if you have more questions as well. Okay. Now let's go to the next step, guys. Our mission. What is our mission? Our mission is called a million women at the top. Now, some of you may be interested in joining the Iron Lady community or getting more support from us beyond day after tomorrow. Generally, a lot of people join a community as well beyond tomorrow. If you're interested in joining the community, you can talk to a relationship manager, get to know more. You're interested in investing more time, more energy, more money into the Iron Lady community. You're interested in getting more support, please talk to a relationship manager. My intention is, if you either you join the community or not, please implement these principles any which case in the next 3 days itself. But everyone, implement as much as possible, master it, reach the top faster, because our mission is called a million women at the top. Got it, everyone? Okay, now let's do a quick activity right now. Can all of you share your B hacks, 3 months B hacks in the chat box quickly? Quickly, everyone. Can you all share the 3 months B hacks? Okay, everyone, quickly share your B hacks. All right. Okay, everybody, stop, stop, stop. Stop, everyone, stop, 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 stop. Stop, everyone, stop, stop, stop. Okay, everyone. Now, I'm going to do some live feedback. Ready, everyone? Live feedback. At the end of this activity, all of you need to send your B hack to your relationship manager. So listen to me very carefully. Right? Listen to me very carefully. Now, some of you are saying 3-month B hack is to get a new job. Okay. Now, when you say a new job, that's a very good start. Clarity brings momentum. Momentum brings energy and results. So be more clear. How? If you say I want to get a new job, write down new job as XYZ role, senior manager, human resources, senior vice president, technology, senior technical leader. So whatever, write down the actual role. 1 or 2 roles also you can write. One of these roles is also fine. Next, write down the CTC, maybe 100% high, maybe 60% high, maybe 40% high. Write down. Clarity means momentum. Next, write down the company as well. So clarity like this brings a lot more momentum towards your thinking and planning. Got it, everyone? So be as specific. It has to be exciting, specific, measurable, challenging. So you can really move towards it with a lot of energy and rigor, everyone. Okay. Some of you are saying lose weight. Now, everyone, that you can take as a parallel B hack. But my challenge is you are a leadership masterclass. Take a career B hack. Take a career B hack. You are a business B hack. You can take a business B hack. Losing weight, having a healthy relationship. Of course, you can take it as a parallel B hack also. That is fine. Or take an impact B hack. I want to increase my organization impact by 40%. Bring bigger team or make a bigger difference as an organization. That could be a B hack. Write down. Okay. Vigneshwari says, switch my job. Which job, which role, which company? Bring more clarity. Okay. Now Deepte says, get a job in international market. Excellent. Which role, which kind of companies, right? Which this thing, right? Now, networking, Fareen, networking is okay. How many people do you want to meet in the next 3 months? How much of an impact you want to make? How many people? How will you build your impression? See, for example, some people say, I want to develop some confidence. Now, leaders learn through actions. Everyone, listen to this. Leaders learn through what? Actions. Just networking, speaking to people is not what you need to do. Go beyond. Implement something. Networking, for example, I will speak at 3 conferences in the next 3 months. How about that? Right? How about you speaking at 3 conferences? For example, I am speaking at a TEDx conference next month. So think about where you want to speak, how you want to build your brand and network. It has to be very powerful. Okay. Now, some of it is taking. So Sonia is taking a B hack, 50K profit per month. Very good, Sonia. Very good. That's a very good B hack. Right? Divya is taking a B hack. Switch job with 90%. Excellent. Divya, very nice. Now Diksha says, get promoted and have a good hike. How much percentage? Think about it, Divya, Diksha. So clarity brings momentum. Now Raki says to become a technical expert. Raki, how? You can say, I will have implemented a big technology project in my company. Leaders learn by doing, by action, not just by doing something. Okay. Bring clarity like this, brings a lot of momentum. Say, right? So some of you say, I will settle in a new job. Okay, settling is not a good idea. What do? Complete a big project in the next 3 months. Get appreciated by the super boss. This could be a B hack. Got it, everyone? So bring clarity. Settling is a, so if you try to settle in a new job, you will think you are settled, but your super boss thinks she is not settled yet. So there'll be a lot of miscommunication and gap. Bring clarity like this. Okay, clarity brings momentum. Momentum brings a lot of energy and results very fast. Okay. Now, some of your writing, senior manager position, very good. Mithun says, complete and publish my book. Excellent. See, Poonam has a B hack. 500 subscribers. Excellent. Some of you want to get back to your job. Excellent. Very good. Get back into a job. Which kind of roles are available? Now, by the way, some of you may be confused now. It's okay. By tomorrow, you can get clarity. Okay, everyone. So all of you have sent your BHAG to your relationship manager. Everybody sent it. Please send it to your relationship manager if you not sent it. Please send it. If you are confused, it's fine. Send a message saying I'm confused. They will support you tomorrow. Okay, everyone. Now let's go to the next step. Next step is more exciting. How to accomplish the BHAG. How to accomplish this? How to go after the results? Ready, everyone? Okay, let me ask you a question. Should you work very hard towards a BHAG, or should you work very smart, or should you work both? Should you work very hard or should you work very smart? Both. Some of you are saying smart, some of you are saying hard, many of you are saying both. Okay. By the way, I'm sorry, everybody. I'm sorry, this is a trick question. The real answer is neither hard nor smart. What is the real answer? Leaders think strategic and act with daily tactics. This smart thinking and hard work is a language of normal people. Leaders think strategic, act with daily tactics. So let me give you some idea around how to quickly go after this. The first step towards this strategic thinking is called breakthrough actions. This is a small part, but it's a very, very important part. It will give you a lot of results right away. First step is called breakthrough actions. What are breakthrough actions? Least actions, maximum results. Very less action, less action, less action. Don't see, guys, don't burden yourself. Don't work harder. Work through strategies. The first strategy itself is called breakthrough action. Now let me give you a practical example. One of the participants wanted to get a big job. Big job she wanted to get. So instead of doing hundreds of things and breaking her head and so on and so forth, she did one powerful breakthrough action. What did she do? She made a fun video. Okay, fun video with all her strengths. Hey, I have this strength and I'm really keen and I will contribute like that and so on and so forth. 90-second video. Very joyful, exciting video. Made it, shared it with 25 top recruiters and got that breakthrough job. Less actions, big results. Think hard on this, everyone. Okay? It'll take 24 hours for you to think. I'll give you a template later in the session today to find it out. Okay? But start thinking on this. One more example I will give you. Another participant was wanting to scale her business. She wanted to scale her business. Now, instead of selling it to individual customers, okay, customer 1, customer 2, customer 3, she went and pitched to influencer customers, right? People who are influencers, customers. So in one shot, she was able to sell to 20 people, 30 people, 50 people like that in one shot. So her business went up by 5 times in a span of 6 months, 3 months. Because suddenly she was pitching to multiple people at once through influencer customers. Got everyone? So always think strategic, act daily tactics, use breakthrough actions to begin with. Now, everyone, start thinking what are the top 3 actions I can take towards my BHAG. Top breakthrough actions you can take. It will take you 24 hours to think. Tomorrow, all of you will publish your breakthrough actions and BHAGs so you can really move very fast towards your BHAG. Okay? Got it, everyone? Now, it will take time to think about it. Don't worry if you don't get it right now, but thinking is required. Learning from each other is critical. Okay, everyone? Okay. Now, after having done this, everybody, the next step is much more exciting. What is the next step? The next step is called being unignorable. Okay? Building your differentiated brand. Now, why is it important? See, many people come and tell me, Rajesh, I actually am very hardworking. I am very good in all my results, but unfortunately, my manager doesn't recognize me at all. My family members also don't think of me as important. Many participants come and tell me this. I tell them, you have to become unignorable. People dare not sideline you. Dare not. They dare not. They better not ignore you. Unignorable. How? I'll give you the principle right now. Start thinking about it. The way to do this, everyone, is called strengthen and showcase your strengths. Big. Strengthen and showcase your strengths. Highlight your strengths. And more importantly, hide and manage your weaknesses. Now remember one thing. Only your manager will win because of your weaknesses. During appraisal time. Okay. You will never win because of your weakness. You will only win because of your strengths. So highlight and showcase. I'll give you one practical example. In your profile or in your resume or in your pamphlets, right at the top, put your top accomplishments, top wins, top breakthroughs right at the top of your resume. And somewhere at the bottom, if you have a break or if you have something, if you're right now, some of you are asking, I'm a housewife, how can I win? Put it at the bottom, some break I had. Right at the top, mention, I was a big accomplisher like that. Right at the top, you have to put it. Showcase your strengths big time right at the top. Hide and manage your weakness at the bottom. Nobody wins because of the weakness. Please understand this. Do not try to keep on worrying about your weakness. Hide and manage it. Of course, you have to manage it. Without managing, you will suffer. Hide and manage, but focus on the strengths. Strengthen your strengths. Win through your strengths. Okay, I'll give you a principle called 10,000 hour principle. How many of you heard of the 10,000 hour principle? The 10,000 hour principle says you can study it on the internet. Okay, it's not my principle. It's an open principle. 10,000 hour principle says that if you have worked in a field, in an industry for 10,000 hours approximately, you should be one of the top 100 people in that industry, or top people. 10,000 hour means approximately 8 years. Approximately 8 years. Now some of you are already shaking your heads. My God, I already spent 10 years, 15 years, I have not reached the top, right? Many of you are feeling sad. But let me tell you, there is no time to feel sad. Okay? What should you do now? The reason why people do not reach the top in 8 years or 10 years and sometimes 20 years or 30 years also is because you may be focusing a lot more on delivery skills. You are focusing on what? Delivery skills, delivering results, working harder, satisfying everybody else's needs. You should, if you do not do this, your brand will go nowhere. What should you focus on a lot more? You should focus on growth and leadership skills and brand skills. If you don't, 20 years later, even many people will ignore you. You should become unignorable by ensuring people know how great you are. Okay? Tomorrow we'll do a deeper activity. Tomorrow you will learn from other people who are reach the top, how they reach the top and how they quickly they build the brand. Everybody, there is no time to waste anymore. Next 1 year itself, you can reach the top, or 2 years it may take based on where you are. Right? 1 to 2, maximum 3 years, you can reach the top. But today is a time to commit to reach the top very fast. But everybody, do not keep worrying about what's gone. Let's focus. Very fast, you can reach the top. That's what I challenge you. Okay. Now, please write down right now, what are the top 3 strengths I have which I can start showcasing. Start right now. Tomorrow we'll go to details of this. Okay, everyone? Okay. Now, next, as you do this, everybody, the next thing you need to focus on is called how to pitch shamelessly. What is pitch shamelessly? I'm not asking you to be a shameless person, okay? I am asking you to pitch, negotiate for a better salary or a better hike or better investors, better customers, better roles, better projects, even at home. Pitch with zero fear. Pitch with no guilt. Pitch with no hesitation. Why? Because everyone, please repeat this with me. Can all of you repeat with me? Okay, please. This is a very important mantra. For the rest of your life, I challenge you to remember this. I only get, everybody please repeat. I only get what I negotiate, not what I deserve. I only get what I negotiate, not what I deserve. I'll tell you something very practical. So many participants come and tell me, I worked very hard through the year. At the end of the year, no growth. Why? I tell them it is a mistake that you thought your manager is very nice, your boss is a very kind person. I tell them your boss is not a friend. Your boss is not a mentor. Please understand. You only get what you negotiate. Even in business, many of you are starting up, you only get what you negotiate. Please get this. Learn the art of pitching, negotiating, dealing with politics. Dealing with politics is critical. We'll go through this in detail. Learn to deal with politics with confidence. Very powerfully. This will do detailed day tomorrow. But today, write down. Where do I need to negotiate? And where do I need to pitch? Everybody write down. Where do you need to pitch? And where do you need to negotiate? I'll give you something very practical. 2 weeks ago, I had a participant. She was desperate to grow further, desperate to invest in a career, desperate to have more investment, all that stuff. Okay. She was almost 45 years old. 45 years old. I was asking her, what is your challenge? You have all the money? Rajesh, I don't need to negotiate. I have all the money. I said, very nice. Rajesh, I have only one problem. What is the problem? My only problem is I have all the money in the bank, but I don't have the password of my bank account. I said, who has it? My mother-in-law has it. I don't even know how much money is there. I was shocked. I told her, if you do not stand up today, you're gone. You better learn to invest in yourself. You better learn to grow yourself. You need better learn to stand up for yourself. Negotiate for yourself from today. Please start pitching for yourself, your growth in your own family to begin with. Can I challenge everybody? If you don't start standing up for your growth in your own family, nobody will care. Your own children will say after 10 years, Mama, it was your duty. Is it clear, everyone? Please learn to stand up from today only towards your growth, towards your life. Today start negotiating. Today start standing up. Pitch shamelessly, first with your husband or whoever it is, your family itself, that I want to grow. I want to build a life. I want to build a career. Everybody clear about it? So please write down where do you need to pitch, who do you need to pitch for. Start pitching powerfully. This is a critical part of your growth, everyone. Okay. Now, everybody, before I go to the next activity, here is a quick look at the schedule. There's a quick schedule. Today, we are talking about BHAG and breakthrough action. Everybody, tomorrow what time it is? 7 p.m. tomorrow. What time? 7 p.m. We go to the next activity right now. 7 p.m. tomorrow. Everybody clear? What time tomorrow? 7 p.m. Now, tomorrow, 6 o'clock, somebody will say, hey, okay, this ILD and all is okay. Don't try to worry about all these things. Are you going to give up? Or are you going to stand up for yourself from today? Are you going to say, I'm going to invest myself? I'm going to grow in my career? Are you going to invest in yourself? Are you going to continue to grow or going to give up? How many of you are going to say, no matter what, I'll be here tomorrow at 7 o'clock? Have all of you kept an alarm tomorrow? Have all of you kept an alarm for 7 o'clock tomorrow? Have all of you kept an alarm for tomorrow, 7 o'clock? Not 7:05, 7 o'clock tomorrow. Can you challenge yourself to say, boss, I will commit? Excellent, everybody. Okay, everybody quickly go through the activity next. Everyone, I'm going to go through the activity next. So here are the examples of BHAGs. Everyone, please ensure that you go through the BHAGs activity right now. Let us spend next two more minutes, everybody, 2 more minutes. If you miss the session, you can go back to the video and relook at it. I'll go very fast, very fast and go, okay? Quickly go through the BHAG examples. You are running a business, here are the BHAGs. Everybody send your BHAG to your relationship manager right now. Send your BHAG to your relationship manager. Confirm it once done. Here are the BHAG examples for people who are in a job. Sorry, people who are running a business. Annapurna took a BHAG. Sign up at least 3 corporate clients from scratch. Everybody, have you all sent it to your BHAG? Have you all sent your BHAG to your relationship manager? Confirm it back in the chat box. Okay. Sign up at least 3 corporate clients. Aditi took a BHAG called start at least 3 batches. Has everybody sent your BHAG to your relationship manager? Please send in the thing. Okay, good. Everybody confirm. Good. So Pushpa took a BHAG called reach 2 crores per month from 1.4 crores. This is a BHAG taken by Pushpa. Everybody please confirm if you have sent it. Okay. Those of you who are in a business, in a job, right? In a job, right? Here's a BHAG. Examples, right? Join as a director with 40% hike was a BHAG taken by Anjali, right? Join as a director. Rani Sunila Mutru took a BHAG. She couldn't get a promotion. Bag a new project with huge visibility was a BHAG taken by Rani Sunila. Okay, everyone take a look at it. Next, teachers, educators get at least 50 new students from scratch. Lawyers, doctors, here's the BHAG examples. Take a look at it. Owners, I'm going to go very fast, everyone. You can go back to the video if you miss it. Okay. Now, Tejasri took a BHAG, new job with 30% hike. Now, everyone, have you all sent your BHAG to your relationship manager? Can you confirm, everyone? Now, if you're confused, send a message saying I'm confused. If you're confused, send a message saying I'm confused. Okay. Let's go through breakthrough action right now. Breakthrough actions. Those of you are confused, please send a message saying I'm confused to your relationship manager. Okay, everyone. This is an ERRC template. To come up with your BHAG, breakthrough actions, go through ERRC template. Which are the actions you can eliminate? Which are the actions you can reduce? Which are the actions you can raise? Which are the new actions you can create? Go through this template very fast, quickly. Okay. Now write this down tomorrow. Now after you write this down, here are the examples. Take on a large, those of you in a job or want to grow in your job, take on a large project, negotiate from the beginning. Build rapport with your skip level manager. Brand has to be built with other stakeholders apart from your manager, right? Send updates every week to your skip level manager. Negotiate hard from the beginning. These are the sample breakthrough actions. Now, people who are running a business, get your sales pipelines clear. Build it powerfully. Get mentors, get them to review your pitches. Critical to have mentors. Now, and invest more in marketing if the current ROI is acceptable. Next, people who are looking for a job, build your differentiated brand statement. Make a powerful video resume. Upload it everywhere. Upload a video text blog every week, right? This we'll do in the session itself tomorrow, okay? Next, here are the examples of people who have been implementing it. Some of the top employees from IIMs, IITs, and so on, top CEOs have been going through the program, implementing it. Now, why am I sharing this with you? Unfortunately, 10% of the participants do not complete the program, right? That's very unfortunate, isn't it? So everybody, if you miss some part of it, go back to the video. What, everyone? If you miss some part, if you miss this template, if you miss a slide, go back to the video because it will give you, and talk to your relationship manager as well. Clear, everyone? All right, everyone. Can all of you share? So unfortunately, 10% of the people do not complete. My question to all of you is, can we set a new trend this week where everybody will, share the BHAGs, everybody will participate fully? Yes, you'll get the video. You'll get the video today, guys. You'll get the video, okay? Now, can we set a big trend this week when everybody will celebrate big time? Can we set a big trend, everybody? Super, excellent, everyone. All right, okay. Please share the learnings in the WhatsApp group right now. Can all of you share the learnings in the WhatsApp group? What are the learnings? Quickly share the learnings. What did you learn in the last 1 hour? Everybody, please share the learnings of what you learned in the last 1 hour. Everyone share in the WhatsApp group right now. Everyone share the learnings in the WhatsApp. Key takeaways and learnings in the WhatsApp group. So there is a reference. Everyone can share. Can share the learning in the WhatsApp group. Everyone share the learnings in the WhatsApp group right now. Everyone quickly share. What did you learn? What are the two, three things you learned? Quickly share, everyone. Not here, not here, not here. Yeah, everybody, it's open. Groups are open right now. Everybody can share in the group. Everybody can share in the group. All right, everyone. All right, everyone. Not here, not here. Please share it in the chat box. Please share it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, everyone. I'm going to do something very crazy right now. Ready, everyone? I'm going to do something crazy, everybody. Ready?